Hello everyone, I'm Pranshi Verma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from ABES Engineering College. Today I'm going to discuss with you AWS Cloud Practitioner Practice Exam Question and Answer 2023 for your upcoming AWS Practitioner exam. So now let us get started. First question is, your company has an application for internal use only, which runs on an EC2 instance. For security reasons, you need to block all other incoming requests to the EC2 instance. Which of the following will help you achieve this? Internet Gateway, IAM/MFA, IAM Policy, and last option is Security Group. So here, the correct answer is Security Group. To block all other incoming requests to the EC2 instance for security reasons, you should use a security group because security group act as a virtual firewall that controls the inbound and outbound traffic for instances within a virtual private cloud. By default, incoming traffic to an EC2 instance is blocked unless explicitly allowed through security group rules. Overall, to block all other incoming requests, you would configure the security group associated with your EC2 instance to only allow the specific inbound traffic that is required for the application's internal use. Therefore, the correct choice to achieving the goal of blocking all other incoming requests to the EC2 instance is security group. Let's move further. Next question. A company wants to run an application on an Amazon EC2 instance and Amazon S3 at a simple storage service. As a cloud practitioner, which AWS service should you recommend to calculate the estimated cost for these services? Options are AWS Pricing Calculator, AWS Budget, AWS Cost Explorer, and last option is AWS Cost and Users Report. Here, the best answer is AWS Pricing Calculator. As a cloud practitioner, I would recommend using the AWS Pricing Calculator to calculate the estimated cost for running an application on an Amazon EC2 instance and Amazon S3. As you know, the AWS Pricing Calculator allows you to estimate the cost for various AWS services, including EC2 instance, S3 storage, and it depends on your project uses and configurations. It provides a user-friendly interface to input the details of your application requirements, such as instance types, storage, data transfer, and other resources. The calculator will then give you an estimated monthly cost based on the selected options. So overall, here best and suitable answer for this question is AWS Pricing Calculator. Let's move further. Next question. Which statement best describes availability zones? 4 options are available here, and best answer is second option, that is distinct location within an AWS region that are isolated from failures in other availability zones. As you know, AGs, that is availability zones, is a physically separate data center within an AWS region. Each AWS region is composed of multiple availability zones which are designed to be isolated from failures in other availability zones. The isolation provides fault tolerance and high availability for applications and services deployed over the cloud. By distributing resources across multiple availability zones, you can protect your applications from the impact of a failure in a single zone. If one availability zone experiences an outage, the resources in other availability zones continue to function. It's ensuring that your applications remains available and resilient. So here, correct answer is second one, that is distinct locations within an AWS region that are isolated from failures in other other availability zones. All right, let's move further. Next question. If you are in early development on AWS and want the ability to get technical support during business hours, which AWS support plan is suitable for you? Option 1, developer plan. Second option is enterprise plan. Third option, business plan. And fourth one is basic plan. So, according to me, if you are in early development on AWS and want the ability to get technical support during business hours, a suitable AWS support plan for you would be the business support plan. Because, as you know, AWS offers various support plans to cater to different needs of customers. But the business support plan is designed for customers who require technical support during business hours and are in the early stages of development or production on AWS. There are lots of key features are available in business plan. They are 24-hour access to AWS support, AWS Trusted Advisor, as well as terminal guidance are also available in business plan, and service health dashboard and community support also. So here, best choice is business support plan. Let's move further. Next question is, you are running a web application on AWS that experiences varying traffic throughout the day. During peak hours, the application requires high compute resources, but during off-peak hours, the traffic reduces significantly. Which AWS service can help optimize cost for this scenario? So here, four options are available, and the best answer is option C, AWS Lambda. Because AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that automatically scales up and down based on the incoming request rate. That's why the application experience varying traffic, AWS Lambda can dynamically allocate compute resources based on demand scaling down during off-peak hours and thus optimizing cost. This serverless approach removes the need to maintain and pay for ideal compute instances. That's why the correct answer is third one, AWS Lambda. All right, let's wind up the session. These are the references. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.